7, 8, and 9, what do you do if you have fractions there? Technically what you're doing is you're dividing by that coefficient, but when we divide with fractions, we end up inverting and multiplying. So they're going to tell you on Alex that all you need to do is multiply by the reciprocal. Still keep your sign like we did on the previous ones. So to get rid of a negative 3/7, we're going to multiply by a negative 7/3. Negative times a negative makes it positive. The 3's cancel, the 7's cancel, and then the w's just by itself. If we do it to one side, we also have to do it to the other side. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, keep whatever sign's on that fraction, and then we're going to simplify. In this case, 21 I can put over 1 and I can do some canceling. 3 goes into negative 21, negative 7 times. A negative times a negative gives me a positive. So W equals 49. Now if I have it written like this, it's the same thing as having 7/9 with the x behind it. Because if I would multiply 7/9 times x, the x would go on the top with the 7. So if I have 7/9 x equals negative 49, to solve it for x, technically I'm dividing by 7/9, but dividing by 7/9 is the same thing as multiplying by 9/7, right? Multiplying by the reciprocal. So I multiply by 9/7. That cancels out that fraction. And then again, I can simplify. 7 goes into negative 49, negative 7 times. A negative 7 times a positive 9 is a negative 63. Now if you're really bad with fractions, you could use your calculator, but most of these will come out to nice whole number ones that you don't really probably need your calculator for. So number 9, 18 equals negative 6/5 v. In order to get rid of the negative 6/5, we're going to multiply by negative 5/6, right? So keep the sign, multiply by the reciprocal. So times negative 5/6. 6 divides into 18 3 times, and 3 times negative 5 gives me negative 15 for my answer for V. Now number 10, there's a couple different ways to do it.